Are you ready to blast some calories and have some fun? Grab your water bottle and a towel, and let's get started. A little bounce on the toes. Your feet can stay in contact with the ground. Get those calves. Work that ponytail. I've tried buns. They always fall out. A little side to side. Now let those shoulders go. Just get loosey-goosey. Last 8. 4 more. All right, now give me a step touch. So we're gonna ease into our cardio. Totally fine if you wanna keep this moderate the whole time. All right, take the arms out. Twist, twist. You're gonna do each one twice for 30 seconds. So turn that body. Now go a little wider. I'm gonna step on my mat just because my shoes are sliding. So you could still be warming up and that's fine. Just make it smaller. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Get those fuzzies out of the way. We're gonna do that one again. So you can make it bigger if you want. 3, 2, go. I'm gonna go bigger. So I'm gonna step leap. So you're still turning, or you could reach. If that, take it across a little more core that way. So as you get warmed up, you can make your movement bigger. You could even do one moderate and one higher. Okay, 10 seconds. Step wide. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next movement. We've got a tap back or a lunge. Tap back, knee smash. Tap back, knee smash. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Step back, smash. So reach so you feel that stretch through your abdominals and then pull those abdominals in. I mean, only got 30 seconds. Reach back. Really reach back. Oops, I forgot to smash. Three, 2, 1, rest. I'm gonna do it again. You can always change the intensity. All right, here we go. 3, 2, go. Reach back, smash. Hulk smash. I haven't seen any of those movies. My sons were grown by the time that stuff came out. I'm not a big comic book person. I like action movies though. I like sci-fi action. 3, 2, 1. I'll allow a little bit of romance or kissing, but not a lot. I got my limits. Okay, we've done this one before. Look at me, I'm sliding all over the place. Turn, reach, turn, reach, or no jump. Remember, you can tap. 3, 2, go. 30 seconds. So you can be this, or you could even tap back on an angle. Don't worry about the beat. Just make your movement big. Come on, reach all the way up. Three, 2, 1. Where's the hairspray when you need it? We got to do that one again. How you doing? You warm it up? 3, 2, go. Decoy, reach up. Decoy, reach up. seconds. 3, 2, rest. Next one. Get water anytime you need it. All right. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 squat. It could be a tap, tap, squat. Ready? 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat. 2, 3, 4. It could be tap, tap, squat, tap, tap, squat. Just make it big. Ten seconds. Use those arms too, they burn calories. I know that's why you're here. That and my sparkling personality. And rest. Maybe not that. Maybe you just tolerate that. Hey, I'll take it. One more set of that. This is when you can pull your pants up. All those high-waisted pants, you gotta pull up to here. 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, you can do anything for 30 seconds. Challenge yourself, whether that's low impact or high. Yeah, you got it. I know you can. 3, 2, rest. How you doing? You good? Okay, we got a lateral shuffle. So you're gonna reach over, step back. Reach over, step back. Ready? Go. There's nothing worse than clean hair, you know? Nothing. You're like, wow, she's got an easy life. It's probably true. You could go faster. You could keep it low. Okay? Woo. I always jump higher when I woo with it. Rest. That woo adds a couple of inches to my height there. Another set. I like this music. Ready? Go. Remember, you got options. Use them. You could jump it. Remember, jumping is not always the answer. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got moving on. We are going through this rapid fire. All right. So we got a forward, a back, jack. Go the other way. Remember, you can stay in place and step touch. 3, 2, go. Forward, back, jack. Whoop. Don't trip over your own mat. You could leap that if you want. Of course, you know what to do if you don't want to jack, right? One more. Rest. Okay, I don't know what's up with my hair. You're like, get over it, girl. I know. We got that again. 3, 2, go. Remember, you don't have to be on a beat. If you're one of those people that has to be on the beat, maybe you shouldn't be. Just let it go. I know how that is. If you got control issues, something to work on. It could be little things. What's gonna happen if you're off beat? Nothing. It's all in your mind. I'm saying all this because I've been there. 1. Now, if it's like a dance class or something like that, totally get that. All right. Next movement is 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach down, reach down. And again. And again. Single, single. Knees up if you want. Reach down, jack, reach down, jack. You can make it smaller. Okay? We started. I skipped the first part. And again. Why do I keep skipping it? There. I threw it in at the end. Go! It's okay to make mistakes. Nothing bad happens. Boom. We got time for one more. I'm changing it as I go. Rest. Okay. I did like 3 or 4 different versions of that. Lots to choose. That's totally why I was doing it. Okay, we gotta do that again. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can go deeper on that. But like I said, I'm really sore. You can do a knee up. If you've ever had active release therapy, you know what that soreness is like. Ow! 1, 2. We got time for one more. Yep. I feel like the most uncoordinated person. Rest. I'm trying not to feel that soreness, but you know what? I just need to embrace it instead of avoiding discomfort. This one's super easy. It's tap side, then kick. Tap side, then kick. Tap, kick. Or you can tap back. Reach, reach. Just make your movement big. Now I'm not doing the kick because I felt. So I'm showing low. How about that? Really reach though. Give me what you got. Ask yourself, can I do more? Do I want to? That might be a different answer, but can you? One more. Rest. We're gonna do it again. Make it bigger this time. I think you should. 3, 2, go. Tap, back, tap, back, back. Use those arms. They help. Unless they're messing you up. Reach as far out as you can with that toe. Three, 2, 1. Okay, moving on. We got 2 more. 2 more. You're gonna be in a squat. Slide over, reach, come down. Slide over, reach. Ready? Down. You could jump, slide, up, or just come up. Come back down in that squat. Up, drive up. If you're coming from that squat, it helps a lot with that jump. You're already set up for the jump. You could be up here, okay? More muscle groups working this way. 3, 2, rest. We're gonna try that again. Okay, we gotta do it again. In 3, 2, go. Squat, slide over, up. Reach that foot out. Really reach. Remember, you don't have to jump. Just stand up. Just please don't round your back. Get down in a squat. 10 seconds, come on. 3, 2, 1. One more. One more. I think I've broken a sweat. 5 seconds. So it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and a jog, jog. Go. 1, 2, 3. Jog, jog. Or it could be knees up. It could be low. March, march. Okay? Remember, it's the last one. Ooh. Go at any speed you like, whatever challenges you. Three, 2, 1. I had to get that. We got to do it one more time. How you feeling? You feeling warm? 3, 2, go. I'm gonna go this way. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now make it a little bigger by lifting that knee. You can even just go side to side. That's totally fine too. I'm a big options person. Sometimes I'll change things because I'm like, I wonder how that feels. I'm always curious. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was a little longer than 30 seconds. I admit it. You did a wonderful job with that strength workout. I hope you feel great. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Remember, no matter where you are in your journey, you are awesome. We are all perfectly imperfect, and that's right where we need to be. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day.